Thanks to buckwheat flour, these delicious buckwheat pancakes have a light and tender texture with a delicate, nutty flavor. Start with some milk. Use dairy or non-dairy milk. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar. This mixture mimics buttermilk and makes the pancakes light and fluffy. If you happen to have buttermilk on hand, use that instead. For the best texture, use a blend of buckwheat and all-purpose flour, or use an all-purpose gluten-free blend. Whisk 1 cup of buckwheat flour, a half cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Since it sat for a few minutes, the milk mixture has thickened a bit. Whisk in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 egg. Now pour the wet ingredients into the dry and add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Whisk until you no longer see clumps of flour. It is okay if the batter has a few small lumps. We cook the pancakes in a skillet over medium heat. A 1/4 cup of batter makes a nicely sized pancake. When you see bubbles popping on the top, flip and cook until the pancake is cooked in the middle. If you notice they brown quicker than cook in the middle, turn the heat down a bit. When the pancakes are cooked, serve them warm with your favorite toppings. For us, that means sliced bananas, berries, and pure maple syrup. And that's it. Easy buckwheat pancakes. You can find the full recipe with lots of tips on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.